Now I can already hear you saying it. Another new robot vacuum with a confusing name. But wait, give me just a minute and I'll tell you why this robot is the one to beat this year. Hi there neighbors, I'm Ryan the Tech Guy and welcome back to This Smart House, your go-to channel for smart home product reviews and projects. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Ecovacs Deebot T30S AI. And I can hear you asking, didn't you already review the T30S before? And you'd be right. So Ecovacs did something really smart here. They took the most innovative features from the high-performing mid-range T30S and combined them with the intelligence and advanced optics from their flagship X2, creating the T30S AI. So they took this upgraded T30S and packaged it in a sleek and affordable bundle that's going to attract a lot of customers. So stick around as I break down all the features, compare it to the rest of the T30S line, and talk about who this would be a great fit for. Now let's break down the core features of the Deebot T30S AI and see what really sets it apart. There's a lot to cover here, so let's start with what's new. So first up, let's talk about the AI capabilities. Now I know that everyone's talking about AI these days, but why would you care about AI in a vacuum? Well, it comes down to object avoidance and mess identification. And a lot of this is possible thanks to the Avi 3D vision system. This debuted with the X2 series. This system uses an actual visible light camera to identify objects or messes and take action on them. Now, one of the most impressive features on the T30S is the AI Instant Remap. This technology recognizes stubborn stains like coffee or ketchup and automatically adjusts the cleaning method. It'll increase water flow and will make up to 3 separate passes over the area to ensure the tough spots get cleaned properly, so no more scrubbing by hand. Next, the robot can use that same camera for object avoidance. It'll identify objects in its path, helping the robot to navigate around them smoothly. Not only does this improve navigation, but also gives you remote access to the camera through the app. This means you can actually use it as a home monitoring system with two-way communication. So whether you're checking in on pets or just keeping an eye on things while you're away, the T30S AI has you covered. Now I know many of my viewers are concerned about security, and the idea of a mobile camera moving around your house might give you some pause. But Ecovacs has begun to address this with a few important security features to provide you a little peace of mind. To access the video features, you're going to need to set up a secure 4-digit PIN, preventing others in your household from accessing the camera. While the camera is active, a red light will appear on the front of the robot, alerting everybody who's at home. And additionally, whenever somebody activates the AI camera function through the app, the robot will give a voice prompt announcing that the camera has been turned on.
Live video has started.
While this isn't a perfect solution, these features do add some extra layers of security and a little bit of peace of mind. So next up, let's talk about power. The entire T30S family comes with a whopping 1100 Pascals of suction power, which is the highest that I've seen on any vacuum on the market today. To put that into perspective, that's 3000 Pascal more than the X2. This extra power makes the T30S AI perfect for deep cleaning carpets and picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris. But what really makes it even better is the Zero Tangle Technology. If you've ever had your robot vacuum stop or error out because of tangled hair around the rollers, you'll definitely appreciate this. The T30S AI's V-shaped brush and comb system are designed to prevent hair from getting stuck. Instead, the hair is pulled straight into the dustbin, meaning less maintenance and more consistent cleaning. Now, if we take a look at the brush for my X2, you'll see how much hair tends to wrap around the ends of the rollers. This causes these covers to press out, putting extra stress on the motors and reducing the vacuum's overall effectiveness. But if we compare this to the roller on my T30S that I've had in service for about 6 months, we'll see a massive improvement. While there's still some hair wrapped around the middle, none of it gets stuck along the edges, and this is thanks to that Zero Tangle tech. This is a huge upgrade for reliability in the T30S series and significantly reduces the wear and tear on the vacuum. I don't know how many times I've had vacuums stop because the main brush gets tangled. So this is a massive improvement in my book. So with great power, you should also get great endurance, which the T30S AI gives you. This robot comes with a 6400 mAh battery, giving you up to 200 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. That's plenty of juice to handle large floors like mine, or even do multi-floor cleaning in one go without any interruption. Now what makes this robot even smarter is its navigation and mapping capabilities. Using their TrueMapping technology powered by the LiDAR stalk on top, the T30S AI creates an accurate map of your home. This allows the robot to efficiently navigate through the complex layouts and avoid obstacles without missing a spot. It's great for homes with tricky layouts or lots of furniture. Plus, the robot can even detect carpet and will mark those areas in the map on the app so you can see exactly where your carpeted zones are. So in mopping mode, it will avoid getting your carpets wet by retracting the mops, and in vacuum mode, it ramps up the suction power to tackle debris on carpets and rugs. So whether you have hardwood, tile, or carpet, this robot does it all pretty seamlessly. And here's where it gets really useful. You can store multiple maps in the app. So if you have a multi-story home, you can map out each floor separately and switch between them when it's time to get them cleaned. The robot will remember each layout and adjust its cleaning strategy accordingly, making it perfect for homes with multiple levels. The robot will try to divide your floor into rooms automatically, but you can manually break them up in the app, or combine them back together. You can even add furniture on the map, or even customize the names. This will come in handy in just a minute. Of course, like any smart robot vacuum, the T30S AI will automatically return to the dock when its battery gets low. But here's the best part. Once it's charged up, it'll resume cleaning right where it left off. So you don't even need to worry about manually restarting the cleaning process, or in my case, forgetting about it. You can even use the AI room keeping mode that will attempt to figure out the best settings to keep each of the rooms clean with minimum running time. Next up, let's move on to what I think is one of Ecovac's strongest features, their mopping. The T30S AI continues the trend with the True Edge adaptive mopping system, which we've seen on the rest of the T30S line. This feature allows one mop head to extend outward, ensuring it reaches right up to the edge of your baseboard or furniture. This is a significant improvement, making sure those hard-to-reach spots get cleaned up without needing to do any manual touch-ups. Another great feature is the 9mm auto-lifting mops. So when the robot detects carpet, the mops will automatically retract, preventing your rugs from getting wet. This is perfect for homes like mine that have mixed surfaces, so I don't have to worry about the robots dragging the wet mop pads over your carpet. The dual spinning mop pads apply downward pressure while rotating, which makes them ideal for tackling sticky messes or tough stains. I first let the robot run through some fresh yogurt without the AI features activated, which caused the yogurt to get caught up in the mop and spread around the test area. Afterward, I send the robot back up the dock to clean its mopping pads and let the mess dry. Then I send it out again, this time with the AI features turned on to deep clean the same spot. The robot did an excellent job cleaning up the dried yogurt, even going over a few spots that the AI determined needed another pass. And when you combine this all together with the new AI Instant Remap, the T30S AI becomes one of the strongest mopping robots on the market. Now, one of the biggest conveniences of a lot of the Ecovac products is the all-in-one OmniStation. This base station automates nearly everything that you need, so you barely have to lift a finger to get a clean house. All you really need to do is empty the dirty water tank, fill the clean water tank up, and occasionally swap out the dust bag. Of course, the base station is where the robot docks to stay charged, but it does a lot more. The OmniStation cleans the mopping pads with 160° Fahrenheit water. This ensures that all the dirt and bacteria are effectively removed, and all that grime is stored in the dirty water tank instead of on the pads themselves. Now, of course, the station automatically empties the dustbin and refills the water tank each time it cleans, so the robot is always ready for the next cleaning session. This model comes with a 3-liter dust bag, which can hold on average about 60 days of debris, so you don't even need to worry about emptying the thing very often. And then after the cleaning is finished, the station will dry the mopping pads with hot air. This prevents molds and odors from developing, which is a big improvement over earlier models like my T20. Additionally, the bottom deck of the station can be easily removed for cleaning. Even the section under the mopping pads is removable, making maintenance a breeze. Now, the T30S family has a combo version that I previously reviewed that includes a handheld vacuum, but it looks like that option isn't available for the T30S AI. Honestly, that's the only real downside I've found so far with this new version. On the bright side, it does make it a little bit more affordable. Now, one of the standout features of the T30S AI is how well it integrates with your smart home setup. First of all, you can control the vacuum with popular voice assistants like Google and Alexa. So if you're already using these platforms, you can issue hands-free commands to start cleaning or send it back to the dock. On top of that, Ecovacs just rolled out a major UI overhaul for their mobile app, making the user experience smoother and even more intuitive. It's now much easier to create custom cleaning schedules, set up no-go zones, and monitor your robot's progress all from your phone. Now, one of the features that they added in a few versions ago is their Yeeko voice assistant, which is built right into the robot and the OmniStation. This allows you to issue it direct commands, which are even more powerful than what you can send from Google Assistant or Alexa. You can give it specific commands like go to a room and mop or vacuum. And if you're not interested in that, you can actually disable it in the app. But for those of you who are really into smart home automation, there's even better news. There's actually a built-in integration with Home Assistant, which allows for nearly full control of the vacuum. This is perfect for creating cleaning schedules or automations that run based on specific triggers, like when you leave the house. So whether you want the vacuum to start cleaning when your home security system is armed, or even disable your inside motion sensors when the vacuum runs, or have it run back to its home when you return home during a cleaning cycle, all this is possible through the Home Assistant integration. So after breaking down all of its features, where does the Deebot T30S AI stand in the world of robot vacuums? So of course we need to talk about pricing. Now the T30S AI will launch later this month at $1,099.99 on Amazon. Now if you compare this to the rest of the T30S family, it's smack dab between the T30S Combo, priced at $1199, and the base T30S, which comes in at $999. Now while the T30S AI does not include the handheld vacuum like the Combo version, it does offer a more advanced AI features and improved navigation, making it a smart choice if you're looking for a more affordable option with some cutting-edge technology. So if you're confused on which one of these robots to choose, let me give you some options. The T30S AI is perfect for households with a higher cleaning demand. This comes from pets, kids, or anyone who likes to leave a mess around the house. Thanks to the advanced AI features, like the AI Instant Remap, it delivers a deeper, more thorough cleaning. In addition, if you have small ones around the house that like to leave things that the robot typically eats, this helps reduce the robot getting stuck. There's nothing worse than leaving for the day, expecting to come home to a clean house, and finding your robot stuck eating a sock. Now the T30S offers a great value for standard cleaning needs, making it an excellent option for basic household use. If you want to move up to the T30S Combo, this is ideal for homes with a variety of flooring types and cleaning requirements. That handheld vacuum provides a versatile cleaning solution for things like couches or stairs. We use ours all the time. But all in all, I really think the AI is hard to beat. With the same 1100 Pascals of suction, the Zero Tangle Technology, and the enhanced mopping, plus all the AI features from the X2, it's ideal for a busy home. So I think if you're looking for the ultimate cleaning assistant, it even beats out the X2, which you would hope because this is newer and now the X2 has dropped down to a price of $999. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, please be sure to check the links down in the description for the best deals. I will try and post any deals that I find in the pinned comment. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I do my best to try to answer each and every one. So big thanks goes out to Ecovacs for sending this over for review and for sponsoring today's video. If you like this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future smart home reviews or projects. Now, if you want to check out my other Ecovacs videos, I got a dedicated playlist right over here. You can also check out a playlist with all my robot vacuum reviews right over there. Thanks again for making it this far, and I'll see you on the next video.